Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the screen isn't the problem. Check the power switch on the PSU and the monitor's LED, then test the wall outlet and surge protector. Once done, fully reseat the display cable and try a different cable or port so you isolate adapter faults. If you still see black, hit Win plus Control plus Shift plus B to force the GPU to reinitialize. Make sure to power cycle the monitor and reboot the PC once before moving into internal troubleshooting. Next, boot into safe mode so the OS runs with minimal drivers and services. Once in safe mode, remove the current GPU driver. Use a removal tool like the to ensure clean state, then reboot normally so Windows can reinstall a default driver. If the problem began after an update, run System Restore to roll back to a known good state. This undoes problematic drivers or settings. Make sure to check Event Viewer for display or driver errors that explain the black screen. For final resolution, power down and open the case to reseat the GPU and RAM. Loose modules or connectors cause no video symptoms. Clean dust and confirm GPU power cables are fully latched. Then test with integrated graphics or a known good spare GPU to isolate a failing card. If hardware checks pass, run manufacturer diagnostics and consider a clean Windows reinstall as last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent black screens persist, swap components one at a time to pinpoint the defective part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.